50 minus 30 gives us 20. So we have 20 divided by 2, which equals 10. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction and one division. According to the PEMDAS, division has higher priority than subtraction because division comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this division, then this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. So we have 50 minus 15, which equals 35. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 35. Now it's your turn. Find the value of this expression. 9 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1. And leave your answer in the comments.